I'm Ryan Halsey, owner of Halsey's Fab Shop. We do everything custom, so we run through carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. If you can dream it, we build it. Reliability is big. I'm a one-man shop, so if our equipment's down, we're not making money. We're not getting people taken care of. So reliability is probably the biggest thing to us. So some of the equipment that we run inside the shop is our Miller Dynasty 300, our Millermatic 255, and then the new 211 Millermatic Pro. The easy use is really nice. The auto set functions, the ability to adjust in from there, especially for a guy like me that does so many different materials, so many different thicknesses. We typically run pulse when it comes to our heavy duty welds. So if we're running more of a structural weld or a thicker plate weld, we're gonna run them pulse settings, really dive into penetration and make a single pass nice and deep. We're not really worried about having to preheat that because we can really pound it in there. That'll save you half the time. Even on some of the thinner things, where we don't want to really run the heat and run things really slow, we're going to run that pulse, get our weld, get in, get out. Don't worry about the heat distortion.